Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and this is kind of like a very random haul. Some things I bought out with my own money and other things were sent to me. The first thing that I want to show you is my Boxy Charm, just because it just came in this past week and I just want to show you. You all have seen this, but we have some really exciting things in here this month. The first thing is Laura Geller's Baked in Blush in Brighten in Tropic Hughes. Wow, thank you Lord. This is what it looks like. Look at how beautiful this is. You can see like the shimmery parts of it. So let's swatch it. Oh yeah, okay, let's like do it on the back of the hand. Gives you a really nice glow. This is Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick, and you know I love me some liquid lipstick. Ooh, oh, this is perfect for fall. How beautiful. Wow, okay, let's see. Wow. Yum. So this is in the color Deep Burgundy. Oh man, that is so vampy. Very, very nice. We'll see how that dries, so I'll leave it there. We have a product here by Butter London. It is called Stroke of Wow, and it's a roll-on precision liner. That's interesting. Oh, shake me up, it says right on the side there. So we will shake it up. Oh, it is actually, it looks like a tiny pizza cutter. Interesting. Okay. So, can you see? Oh. It's a very thin line. I don't know how I feel about this. Let me dip it again. Okay, that's darker. Okay. I'm gonna have to actually try that out on my eye before I really make any judgments. A la mar. Green is not my favorite color, so I'm kind of ugh about that. Oh, they're really soft. So this would be a blending, maybe crease brush, eyelid brush, and then liner, which are pretty basic brushes, all necessities. If you don't have any brushes, definitely get yourself these three for starters, especially the blending brush, girl. Some of y'all don't blend. We've all been guilty of that, huh? It's Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. Now, the brand is called Pretty Vulgar. You know, these colors remind me totally of A Corpse Bride, like that whole vibe. Let's swatch just a few of these. I don't want to swatch all of them. Pretty pigmented. Let's do this one. Oh, very nice. This one may be a little me. I'm gonna have to try them out on my eyes, so I'll do an eyeshadow tutorial with them one day. Oh, look at how pretty this matte lipstick dried. The next thing I want to show you is by Urban Decay. So I receive products by Urban Decay frequently. This is the Elements Cosmic Color from Another Dimension palette. Look at how absolutely stunning this packaging is. It is so beautiful. It definitely screams out Cosmos. Let's open her up, shall we? Ooh. How beautiful. Ooh. So you have a variety of mattes, shimmers, and glitters, which is so Urban Decay. In comparison to this little compact, that's how big it is. It is absolutely humongous. Let's do this one right here. This is a duochrome called Fortune Teller. Ooh, I don't like that name. This one is a silver lining. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Let's do this green. Okay, one more. Beautiful. The next thing that I got was by IT Cosmetics, and this is a huge makeup bag. It says, "It's your most beautiful you." They really emphasize on a lot of like natural beauty and just feeling beautiful, which I love. Inside, the lining is pink. I love pink. It seriously is my favorite color. And dun, 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 the limited edition Love is the foundation brush. Okay, there we go. Whoa. It's a heart, guys. It's an actual heart. Let's do a 360. Look at how pretty. And then the handle has all of these little hearts, confetti hearts in them. Oh my gosh, you stop. I can't. I know I'm acting like such a girl right now, but I don't care. And it's so soft. Like, all of the brushes are super soft. So cute. This is the very last thing that was sent to me, and this is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bronzer. Hello, I'm brown skincare, not a girl. Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Makeup erasing and deep cleansing. Okay. So, this is what the bottle looks like. So this is a cleanser that is inspired by some of the latest trends in South Korea. And it's supposed to be a very natural, harsh-free beauty product. So this is actually created with coconut oil to break down the makeup that you have in your face. You can actually use this to take off both your makeup and to actually cleanse your skin. Ooh, and it has antioxidants like ground cherry, raspberry, bearberry, mulberry, and bilberry, along with, of course, blueberry. It's also supposed to help prevent any premature aging, and you're supposed to get like a softer and brighter effect to the skin. So I'm very excited to try this out. Thank you so much. So since we're talking about skincare, this is something that I've just bought myself. It is a jade roly-poly thing. It's for a facial. It's basically supposed to like rule out your wrinkles or something. I saw this on Groupon. It was only $7 with no shipping and handling. The ones that I saw on Amazon were like $50+ and I thought there's just no way that I'm gonna be buying a $50-$60 roly-poly thing. Now, I bought two of them. I bought one for me and one for my mom, and hers is perfectly fine, but mine, this happened. So that's probably what you get for buying a $7 roly-poly thing for your face. That's okay. I will just super glue it. I only paid $7 for it. I already knew that I might be gambling with my money, so I just took a gamble, and this is what happened. But that's okay because I have super glue. It's totally fine. I don't care. I actually got the idea of using this because of, I'm not sure if you know who Yoli Glow is on Instagram, but she uses this on her clients. She does facials and she will apply a mask on her clients, and then she will sort of use this to like roll. What? Oh, it feels so good. Oh my gosh, stop. Woo! So that's what I got. So the next thing is by BLISS, and it is the Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Whipped Mask. and I got this at Target because they have like the little travel size and sample sizes in the like cosmetic area. So I saw this and I thought I want to try this out because look at how adorable it is. It's pink on the inside and it looks marshmallowy. Like it makes me want to just, but I won't do that because I'm not an idiot. This is only a small little thing. It only has like 0.5 fluid ounces. So anyway, if I like this, then I will definitely get the full size one, but it's good to try things out. And I think this was only like $4 or something like that. It was not expensive at all. I also got this. It's limited edition and it's by Vaseline and it is their lip therapy pink bubbly, and this is that. So it has really no color. I mean, oh, that's a terrible swatch because I have eyeshadow underneath, but let's see, it has no color whatsoever. See, nothing. For those who use Vaseline, like actual Vaseline on your lips, like girl, get yourself this, like an actual product that's gonna help your lips and not create more problems. So I decided to get it because I love anything that's therapy for my skin, for my mental health, for my spiritual health. Like, I'm all about it. The next thing I got from Target is this Wet n Wild Hello Halo Mega Glow. It's a liquid highlighter. And they kind of got me with this one. I was by like the clothing area and they have this little section, like a mini section of cosmetics that they promote there. And this was one of them and I thought, oh gosh, I never came in here for this. But you know, Target, they like set little booby traps everywhere in the store so you can just buy things that you didn't even have on your list. So I got this, and this is glass, girl. Okay, Wet n Wild, I see you. But ooh, see, this is my first time opening it. I did not know this had a huge doe foot. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Okay, girl, what? Okay, where do I do this? I'm nervous. Sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna, ooh, oh my gosh, it looks really pretty. Okay, so let's, okay. What? I seriously bought this not really expecting much because I was just like, let me just try it out because why not? Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, what am I trying to do here? I'm trying to just we are gonna have so much fun together. Yes. Now I want to go get the other highlighter that was next to it. I wonder how this acts with like foundation. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out soon. Yes, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Please don't let me down. I don't remember how much this cost me. I don't think it cost me much. It's Wet n Wild, so I swear I didn't even look at my receipt. If it cost me like $10, I probably didn't even notice, but I'm hoping it cost me like $4, $5, $6. I would pay $6 if even that. Okay, so the very last thing that I got in the mail, I had to sing that part, I don't know why. This is my new favorite product. I've been buying this for the past few months, and it is by Loving Tan. It is their deluxe bronzing mousse in dark. Is that the color I usually get? I think so, yeah. But it is the best tanning product I have used in a while. It gives you more of like an olive tone as opposed to super red or super orangey. This is my arm, okay? I've been working out, by the way. Okay. Just forget I did that. It is super easy to apply if you get the deluxe application mitt. These are $35 for 4 fluid ounces, which is good for like a month's worth of tan. I am very pale. Y'all know this. I am naturally very pale. And you know, it's in contrary to my roots because I'm Mexican. But you know what? We come in all shades. And unfortunately, some of us, in order to get a little color, we have to use fake product. But that's okay because they make it super easy. See, this is a tanning mitt. It makes it super easy to apply this mousse. Don't mind my really bad tan hands. Like, that's not their fault, it's my fault. I'm just terrible. It's super soft. Just, can you hear it? If I had a microphone, you could hear it. But this is the mitt that you apply the product with. See? And you just mousse it up, and then you just slather it on. They also gave me a bronze shimmer luminous cream, and this is to help just highlight any areas that you want to highlight. Every time I get a package from them, they wrap it with like a present in like the tissue, and then like they put a little bow on it, and it's like a pink satin bow, and then they put like a little note in there, and it's just the cutest thing ever. If I'm gonna buy myself something and I have to wait for it to be shipped, I want it to come as like a birthday present or like a Christmas present that someone is getting me. But really, it's like something for myself, from myself. I just like the aesthetic of it and the way it makes me feel. It makes me feel very nice and appreciated and valued. I hope you guys enjoyed that haul. If not, and you want me to stop hauling or showing you products that they send me, please let me know and I'll consider it. I just really like showing it because I love watching videos like that. And yeah, anyway, that's all I have to say. And I hope to see you very soon. Not hope, I will see you very soon. I love you, God bless you, and bye.